Hello friends, in this video I would like to brief about the amendment made in GST rules notified on 18/5/2021 with regard to refund related procedures. Now let us look in detail. The amendment was made by notification number 15 of 2021 Central Tax dated 18/5/2021 in the Cgst rules relating to refunds. First of all, let us understand what is GST refund. Refund means receiving back the money from the department for some reason or the other. That is getting back from the money from the department once you have paid to the government. Otherwise, the situation of refunding the amount by the department arises only when the GST paid is more than the GST liability. The process of claiming the refund is standardized to avoid confusion. The process is done online and the time limits have also been prescribed to get the refund amount. Moving to next phase in refund, that question will come to everybody's mind. That is, when can the refund be claimed? I'd like to share that there are different scenarios under which refund of GST amount can be claimed. Let's see some of the situations wherein we get the refund. The first thing is that when the tax payment is made in excess due to mistake or omission. When the GST is paid in excess, knowingly or unknowingly, that is by causing a mistake or omitting something, you are paying excess. Therein, you will get the refund. You have to apply for that and get it. That's the situation. And like for doing exports of goods or services, under claim of rebate or refund. When you claim rebate or refund corresponding to the exports whatever you made. For this here, for exports into deemed export also, it also eligible for getting this refund. And another situation is this ITC accumulation, that is accumulation of input tax credit. This is occurring because the final product, that is final output, is exempted or it is nil rated. So this is another situation wherein you go for refund and get it. And one more thing is that refund of tax paid on purchases made by embassies or UN bodies. When these embassies or UN bodies purchasing something and they are getting input on that, they will be getting refund on it. This is the another situation wherein you get a refund. And international tourists also get tax refund. And one more thing is that when the provisional assessment is getting finalized, so there are chance of getting refund amount. So these are the situations wherein one can apply for refund. Then again, another question that will be revolving in our minds, that is, what is the time limit for claiming the refund? Normally, 2 years is the time limit for claiming the refund from the relevant date. RFD 01 is the application form that is to be submitted for claiming the refund. According to Rule 90 and Sub-Rule 3 of Cgst Rules 2017, GST officer will issue deficiency memo where he finds any deficiency in the refund application filed by the assessee. He will issue this in RFD 03. That is, if a GST officer finds that any deficiency is there, he will be issuing this RFD 03. After this issuance of deficiency memo, by the department, assessee has to file fresh refund application form after doing necessary rectifications. So then after getting this deficiency memo from the department, what the assessee will do, he has to file another fresh refund application to continue the process. Owing to the procedure as stipulated under this provision, there are number of refund applications being rendered time barred due to issuance of deficiency memos and filing of fresh applications after removal of deficiency. Finally, this has resulted in rejection of the refund claim. To overcome this issue faced by the assessee, CBIC added a proviso to Rule 90 and Sub-Rule 3. That is, the time period from the date of filing of the refund application till the date of issuance of deficiency memo shall be excluded in computing the limitation period of 2 years. In other words, in simple terms, while computing the period of 2 years, the time difference between the filing of refund application and the issuance of deficiency memo will not be counted. So this is the new provision that has been given by this notification number. Notification issued on 18/5, notification number 15 of 2021. With this amendment, which is in favor of the assessee, and would help in curbing any meaningless deficiency memo issued solely with the intention to deny the refund will not be entertained. Now we look into another amendment. There is one amendment is that time difference and is excluded, and in the same notification we are finding another amendment, that is the facility of withdrawal of the refund application provided in the notification. Rule 90 have been inserted with new sub-rule 5 and sub-rule 6, which allows the assessee to withdraw the refund application. By this amendment, assessees will be able to withdraw refund application filed with the department for claiming refund. But there are few conditions given for such withdrawal. That is, refund application can be withdrawn at any time but before. This is the condition. That is, this refund application can be withdrawn but subject to these things. What is that? It should be withdrawn before the issuance of provisional sanction order in Form Cgst RFD 04. If the department should not have been issued this Cgst RFD 04, then in such cases the assessee is eligible to withdraw the refund application. Similarly, if the refund sanction order is not passed by the department, say the refund sanction order is normally passed by under Cgst RFD 06, that should not have been passed. Then again, this assessee can claim the get back the refund application back. Similarly, this payment order RFD 05, refund withhold order via Form Cgst RFD 07, and notice in form of Cgst RFD 08. All these things should not have been issued. And if all these things are taken into consideration and this has not been received by the assessee, rather it has not been issued by the department, then this application can be withdrawn. That was given as another amendment. Moreover, the form is prescribed for doing withdrawal of the refund application. The refund application is required to be made via Form Cgst RFD 01W. So, Cgst RFD 01W is the application form prescribed for the withdrawal of refund application. On the submission of withdrawal of refund application form, the amount which was debited from the electronic credit or electronic cash ledger of the assessee at the time of filing of refund application shall be credited back to the respective ledger. With this new amendment, it's a great facility accorded to the assessees to withdraw the refund application if filed erroneously and to receive automatic credit of the debited amount without following the existing cumbersome procedure for recredit of cash or credit. So this is what we have seen, two amendments made while the notification issued on 18/5/2021. Hope this video is useful to understand the new provisions with regard to GST refund. I request you to like, share and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.